What is this called? Dog. What is this called? Cat. What is this called? Elephant. What is this called? Lion. What is this called? Tiger. What is this called? Bear. What is this called? Wolf. What is this called? Fox. What is this called? Monkey. What is this called? Giraffe. What is this called? Zebra. What is this called? Deer. What is this called? Kangaroo. What is this called? Panda. What is this called? Camel. What is this called? Horse. What is this called? Cow. What is this called? Sheep. What is this called? Goat. What is this called? Pig. What is this called? Rabbit. What is this called? Squirrel. What is this called? Mouse. What is this called? Rat. What is this called? Bat. What is this called? Hedgehog. What is this called? Otter. What is this called? Raccoon. What is this called? Skunk. What is this called? Beaver. What is this called? Moose. What is this called? Buffalo. What is this called? Rhino. What is this called? Hippo. What is this called? Crocodile. What is this called? Alligator. What is this called? Snake. What is this called? Lizard. What is this called? Frog. What is this called? Toad. What is this called? Turtle. What is this called? Tortoise. What is this called? Chimpanzee. What is this called? Gorilla. What is this called? Orangutan. What is this called? Lemur. What is this called? Sloth. What is this called? Armadillo. What is this called? Porcupine. What is this called? Anteater. What is this called? Bison. What is this called? Antelope. What is this called? Hyena. What is this called? Jaguar. What is this called? Leopard. What is this called? Cheetah. What is this called? Koala. What is this called? Platypus. What is this called? Wombat. What is this called? Weasel. What is this called? Ferret. What is this called? Mongoose. What is this called? Chameleon. What is this called? Gecko. What is this called? Iguana. What is this called? Hedgehog. What is this called? Chipmunk. What is this called? Groundhog. What is this called? Rabbit. What is this called? Donkey. What is this called? Mule. What is this called? Alpaca. What is this called? Llama. What is this called? Boar. What is this called? Wildcat. What is this called? Lynx. What is this called? Coyote. What is this called? Dingo. What is this called? Wolverine. What is this called? Ocelot. What is this called? Bighorn sheep. What is this called? Mountain goat. What is this called? Elk. What is this called? Red panda. What is this called? Meerkat. What is this called? Gazelle. What is this called? Serval. What is this called? Bobcat. What is this called? Caracal. What is this called? Tapir. What is this called? Capybara. What is this called? Aardvark. What is this called? Jackal. What is this called? Puma. What is this called? Tasmanian devil. What is this called? Wallaby. What is this called? Snow leopard. What is this called? Badger. What is this called? Pangolin. What is this called? Okapi.